Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you a new application that just got created that helps us to transfer files from an Android or mobile devices to an Android TV box or Google TV. And this application is also going to help you to sideload or install applications to your Android TV device with ease. So watch the video right up to the end, and as I said, this is a new application. It is not going to be 100% effective, but I want you to try it out on your Android TV, and if you like it, I believe it is going to be an application that is going to help us Android TV users for a long while. So this application is created by a YouTube creator called Doug. If you've been watching videos on Android TV and Fire TV on YouTube, I'm sure you must have seen him on YouTube. So you can check out his YouTube channel, and all the credits go over to him. So as I said, this is a new application and it's still in its testing period. So let's see how this is going to help us to transfer files from our mobile device to our Android TV. So in this video, I'm using my Android TV box called Sling TV, and also I'm using my Android phone since I want to transfer an Android application to my Android TV. Alright, so as you see, this is my Android phone over here. I'm currently on the Play Store, and on the other hand, this is my Android TV that I'm using. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to install the application on my Android phone. I'm going to show you how to send out a file to my Android TV, and then on my Android TV I'm going to show you how to get the file and also how to sideload the application to my Android TV. So please watch right up to the end, and if you find the video helpful, you know what to do. You can support me in many ways possible, but the least I would really ask is just for you to drop a subscribe and also turn on the bell, so if I create next videos like this, you'll be one of the first people to be notified. So with all that said, let's get started. Now on my Android phone, I'm going to start by installing the application. So what I'll do is that I'll go over to my App Store or Play Store and search for the application. It is FireSend, and here's it over here. So I already have it installed. If you don't have it installed, you have to install it. So as I said, the application is created by Doug. You can check it out on YouTube if you want. So you can see lastly updated, that is 17th January. That's like 2 days ago. So as I said, this application is not 100% fully developed yet. It's still in its testing period at the time of making this video. So what you do over here, just click on open, and the application is going to open, and this is how it's going to look like on your mobile phone. So I'm using my Android phone here because if I use my iPhone, I might not be able to download or APKs that I want to send to my Android TV. So here's the application, and this is how it's going to look on my Android phone. So let me go over to my Android TV and install the application just literally the same way. Go out to your browser and then type in FireSend. So here, just type FireSend. I'm using my mouse to control my Android TV box. If you have a mouse, good. If you don't have a mouse, then use your remote control to navigate like I'm doing over here to type it. So FireSend, here's it over here, and once you search, you're going to get it over here. Here's the application, and let's just quickly download it or install it to our Android TV box. Alright, so what I'm showing you here could work on Fire TV, but this video is perfectly suited for Android TV boxes, or Google TV, or at least any device that runs on an Android operating system. So that's where this video is fully suited. Alright, so the application will be installed. Now I can close my browser. As you see, it's as simple as that. If you have Android device, then this should perfectly work for you. Please let me give you something. This is not going to work on smart TVs. This is not going to work on any application that doesn't allow you to use the Google Play Store. Alright, so please, if you are finding difficulties, just make sure that your Android operating system or your TV runs on the Android operating system. So here's the application over here. Here's it over here, FireSend. So I'm just going to launch it on my Android TV device, and this is how it's going to look like my Android TV box. So here's it how it look like. So there, you can continue to dashboard. Just give it a couple of seconds. So this is how it's going to look like. Now, how do I send files from my mobile phone to my Android TV with this? It is quite simple. Let me show you how to do that. A very easy thing to do here is just click over here and click start now. And guys, you don't need to create an account. You don't need to log in to do this. You can do this without creating any account. So over here, I create a room. Let me just repeat that. Let me see if I can repeat that. I come over here and I click on create a room. Start now. What it's going to do is that it's going to create a room in which I can upload a file, and then I can go into that room on my Android TV device. So here's the room I created. The room code is 3786865, and I can drop applications in this room. Alright, so for instance, to drop an application is very simple. What I'll do is just to click on drop files to share, and I'll go on to my mobile phone and I'll choose a file. Alright, so I downloaded an APK over here. This is APK time. This is application for APK time, and I downloaded it a couple of seconds ago for this video. So what I'll do is that I'm just going to upload it to this room, or I'll add it to this room, and then I'm going to log into the room on my Android TV device, and it's as simple as that. So here's it over here, and the file has been uploaded. If I browse down, you're going to see this is it over here. So I can edit it. I can rename it to just APK time if I want. APK time, and I rename, and also I can delete or copy, but that is not for now. So I'm done with my mobile phone. So what I'll do now, I'm going to go over to my Android TV or Android TV box, depending on which one you're using, and I'll click on rooms. So it says join room, 24-hour room and lifetime. So now you need to join a room. So just click on join room over here, and you type in the room code. And in my case, the room code is this is the room code at the top here, 37865 37865. So once I type in that, I'm just going to click on join room, and then I'll be added to the room. And as you can see, there are already files here. Here's the APK time, and I can go over here, just install the APK time that I uploaded from my mobile device to my Android TV device. As you can see, this is very easy to use. Here's the application. Now I can go ahead and install it. So you can easily send files from your Android TV to your Android TV box using this method, and also you can sideload applications by just getting room codes. So in the subsequent videos, I'm sure I'm going to do my research and do a video on the best room codes that creators have created around, and you can use on your Android TV or Fire Stick. So this is how to share files from your mobile phone to your Android TV using this application called Fire Send. As I said, it's created by Doc Squiffy. You can check it out on YouTube. And also, I'm also going to create a room for myself to share with you my top applications, because I've been getting comments of people asking me which applications do I use for streaming, for tools, and so on. So I'm going to create a room with my top applications and how you can get them and share with you. So this is still an app in its development state, and for me so far it is one of the best apps already, and I'm sure you are going to like the application. So if you found the video helpful, then please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. This application is going to help you sideload applications to your Android TV and also share applications from your mobile phone to your Android TV. So if you have an Android TV device and you've been struggling to get APK times or install APK times, then what you can do now is simple. Just go back to your Android phone, download your APKs, and upload it to your room, and they can transfer it to your Android TV and sideload like I have showed you in this video. So if you found it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.